Goa has had many new cafes of late, और जब भी मैं गोवा आता हूँ, I try to do at least like some new cafe. I've been hearing about Neighbor for a very long time, never been here. I've come here for the first time. One of those cafes which invite you, very chic, as they say, very nice vibe, aesthetic wise. बाहर भी बैठ सकते हैं, अंदर भी बैठ सकते हैं. The menu looks fantastic. There are many options in terms of coffee, in terms of food, in terms of dessert. I'm not too hungry right now, so maybe I'll just have a coffee and something to eat. But very impressed with this place. That's my first impression. The servers are very knowledgeable. They are very helpful, unlike many places in Goa. वैसे तो they have a very extensive food menu. They have like Ross omelette, they have burgers, all day breakfast, etc. But मैं अभी बहुत लपेट के आया हूँ दोस्तों. जगह कम है, बट जैसा हमारे यहाँ कहते हैं कि बस कितनी भी भरी हो, कंडक्टर के लिए तो हमेशा जगह होती है. खाना कितना भी खा लो, थोड़े मीठे के लिए तो जगह होती ही है. I have ordered coconut coffee, which is one of the signature items in this place. Coconut coffee in Goa is not just a gimmick. Coconut is very important to Goa in all its shape and form. Apart from coconut, to toddy, to coconut oil, coconut milk, because of the coastal heritage of the city. So coconut in coffee is a very unique thing. Very popular in Thailand and Southeast Asia, but India में उतना popular नहीं हुआ है. And Goa for me represents globe on your plate. It's one of the most global places in India, so to speak. Because अभी देख लीजिए आप, coffee trade started in Arabia, came all the way to India. We have croissant that actually started in Austria, then came to France, then came to all over the world. So on this table right now you have Goan heritage combined with Arabic coffee that came to India, along with croissant came from Europe. So थोड़ा croissant खा लीजिए. I'm European now. Sorry. I have health insurance. I have work-life balance. Only work 3 days a week. Oh भाई. Oh, beautiful. भाई स्वर्ग है. Neighbors में. Love thy neighbor, love my neighbor. Thank you.